Overlander is the rugged, multi-purpose navigator built for every part of the journey, on and off-road. In this video, you'll learn how to set up and start using your Overlander. Plug the vehicle power cable into the port on the mount. Press the power key on the right side of the device. This is your home screen. Using your finger, you can swipe down to view notifications. If you swipe down twice, you can adjust brightness and settings. If you press and hold your finger here on the left side of the screen, you can customize your wallpaper and add widgets to the home screen. On the right side of the screen is the app drawer, which contains shortcuts to all apps you have installed on your device. If you swipe right, you will pull up the widget page that features pertinent information for your journey. If you have a larger vehicle such as an RV or a camper trailer, and you want routing based on the size and weight, we recommend setting up a vehicle profile. You can set up a vehicle profile for each vehicle configuration used with your Overlander device. From the home screen, select this icon. Then select the plus sign. Choose the option that resembles your vehicle configuration. Follow the prompts to enter the vehicle characteristics. To connect to Wi-Fi, select the gear icon, then select Wi-Fi. Sign in to your wireless network. Overlander will remember the network information and will automatically reconnect whenever you are in range. For the best navigation experience, always keep the maps and software on your device up to date. You can do this either by connecting to Wi-Fi or by connecting your device to a computer and updating it through Garmin Express. Use the Garmin Drive app for turn-by-turn directions on established roads as well as points of interest. Tap the search icon and use the touchscreen keyboard to search for a destination. Once it appears on screen, select Go. As you travel, the device will guide you using both voice prompts and information on the map display. Instructions for your next action will also appear across the top of the map. Select Explore on your device for detailed topographic maps for off-road navigation. The first time you use Garmin Explore, you'll be prompted to create an account or log into your existing account. If you want to sync your device data with your Garmin Explore account automatically, select Sync My Data. If you want to create a Garmin Explore account without synchronizing data, select Not Now. You can log into your account on the Garmin website at explore.garmin.com and on your mobile device via the Garmin Explore app. Garmin Explore enables you to plan trips and use cloud storage for your waypoints, routes, and tracks. It offers advanced planning both online and offline, allowing you to share and sync your data with your device. Now that your device is set up, let's talk about updating your maps and downloading additional maps. As previously stated, your device will receive software updates through a Wi-Fi connection. Make sure your device is charging by connecting it to an external power source via the USB cable. On your app drawer, select Tools, then System Updates to check if an update is available. If so, select the Download option and follow the on-screen instructions on your device to complete the process. Using your Explore account, select the Import Data icon. You can import GPX, KML, and KMZ files. You can choose between importing your files as tracks or routes. We recommend tracks. Name the file, then drag and drop the file you wish to upload. The new data will appear under your Collections list. If your Overlander is synced with your desktop, then your new data automatically uploaded to your device. Thanks for watching. Check out the other videos in this series to learn more about using your Overlander.